Welcome to Best Learn English Online. Here are some daily English sentences that are useful for various situations. Greetings and introduction. 1. Good morning. How are you today? 2. Nice to meet you. My name is your name. 3. How's everything going? 4. What's up? 5. I hope you're doing well. 6. It's great to see you again. At work/school. 1. Can you help me with this task? 2. I need to finish this by the end of the day. 3. Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. 4. I'm working on a project right now. 5. Have you received my email? 6. What's the deadline for this? Shopping. 1. How much does this cost? 2. Can I try this on? 3. Do you have this in a different size? 4. Can I pay with a credit card? 5. Do you have any discounts today? Asking for directions. 1. Could you tell me how to get to place? 2. Is it far from here? 3. How long does it take to get there? 4. Which bus should I take to place? Eating out. 1. Can I see the menu, please? 2. I would like to order dish. 3. Do you have vegetarian options? 4. Can we get the bill, please? 5. How spicy is this dish? Making plans. 1. Do you want to grab coffee later? 2. Let's meet at 5 p.m. 3. Are you free this weekend? 4. I'm looking forward to hanging out. Expressing emotions. 1. I'm feeling a little tired today. 2. That sounds amazing. 3. I'm really excited about this. 4. I'm so sorry to hear that. 5. I can't wait to see you. Common courtesies. 1. Please go ahead. 2. Thank you for your help. 3. Excuse me, could you repeat that? 4. I appreciate your time. 5. No worries. These sentences can be adapted to daily situations to improve your communication skills. Daily English sentences, a guide to everyday conversations. Daily English sentences are phrases or expressions commonly used in everyday communication. They are essential for building practical language skills, as they help learners express themselves in a variety of situations. These sentences can range from simple greetings to more complex phrases used in work, travel, shopping, and social interactions. Learning and practicing daily English sentences helps you become more confident in speaking and understanding English. Here are some key categories of daily English sentences. 1. Greetings and introductions. Good morning. How are you? Hi, my name is name. What's yours? Nice to meet you. 2. Asking for directions. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the nearest bus stop? How do I get to place? 3. Shopping and ordering. How much is this? I'd like to buy item, please. Could I get the bill, please? 4. Making plans. What time are we meeting? Do you want to go to the movies? Let's have dinner together tonight. 5. Daily activities. I need to go to work. I have a meeting this afternoon. What are you doing today? 6. Expressing needs and preferences. I would like some water, please. Can you help me with this? I prefer tea over coffee. 7. Apologies and requests. Sorry for the delay. Could you repeat that? I apologize for the mistake. By incorporating these daily sentences into your routine, you can quickly improve your fluency in English. Practice speaking with friends, in front of a mirror, or even with language exchange partners. Remember, consistency is key. Use these sentences regularly to get comfortable with English in daily life. Certainly. Here are more categories and examples of daily English sentences that can help enhance your ability to communicate in everyday situations. 8 at home. Can you pass me the remote? Please make sure to lock the door when you leave. I need to clean the kitchen today. Let's have breakfast together. Could you help me with the laundry? 9. At the workplace. I'm running late for the meeting. Could you send me the report by email? Let me know if you need anything. I'll finish this task by the end of the day. Can we schedule a meeting for tomorrow? 10. Making small talk. How was your weekend? What do you like to do in your free time? Have you seen any good movies lately? It's a beautiful day today, isn't it? What do you think about the weather this week? 11. In a restaurant or cafe. Could I see the menu, please? I'll have the chicken sandwich. Can I get a cup of coffee, please? Do you have any vegetarian options? Could I have the check, please? 12. Expressing feeling. I'm feeling a bit tired today. I'm really excited for the weekend. I'm sorry to hear that you're not feeling well. That's amazing. I'm so happy for you. I'm feeling stressed because of work. 13. Making requests. Can you please help me with this? Could you give me a hand with the boxes? Would you mind opening the window? Can I borrow your pen for a second? Could you explain that again? 14. Expressing gratitude. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the gift. It's exactly what I wanted. I'm grateful for your support. Thanks for your time today. 15. At the doctor's office. I'm not feeling well. Can you help me? How long will the treatment take? I have a headache and a sore throat. Do I need to take any medication? When can I schedule my next appointment? 16. At the airport. What time does the flight depart? Is my flight on time? Can you help me with my luggage? Where is the baggage claim area? I have a connecting flight. Where should I go? 17. Expressing opinions. I think this movie is fantastic. In my opinion, the food here is delicious. I believe we should leave now to avoid traffic. I don't agree with that idea. I feel that we need to talk about this more. 18. Time and dates. What time does the meeting start? My appointment is at 3 p.m. When is your birthday? Today is the 8th of December. I will be back in 10 minutes. 19. At the gym. How do I use this machine? What time do you open in the morning? I'm trying to get in better shape. Could you show me the correct form for this exercise? How often should I work out each week? 20. Making arrangements. Let's meet at 7 p.m. at the restaurant. How about we go to the park tomorrow? Let's reschedule our meeting to next week. Are you free on Friday evening? I'll call you when I arrive. 21. Phone conversations. Hello, this is your name. Who am I speaking with? Can I leave a message for a name? I'll call you back in a few minutes. Sorry, I missed your call. Can I help you? Could you speak a little slower, please? 22. Making suggestions asterisk asterisk. How about we try that new restaurant? Let's go for a walk this afternoon. Why don't we watch a movie tonight? I suggest we leave early to avoid the rush. How do you feel about going hiking this weekend? 23. Expressing agreement or disagreement asterisk asterisk. I completely agree with you. That's a great idea. I'm not sure I agree with that. I think you're right. I don't think that's a good plan. 24. Talking about the future asterisk asterisk. I'm going to visit my family next month. I plan to start a new project soon. We'll be moving to a new house next year. I'll be on vacation next week. I'm thinking about going abroad for my studies. Why daily English sentences matter. Using these daily sentences regularly helps you sound more natural and fluent in conversations. By practicing, you'll learn how to use English in diverse situations, improving both your vocabulary and understanding of cultural contexts. The more you incorporate these sentences into your daily routine, the easier it becomes to converse comfortably in English, whether at work, with friends, or while traveling.